The European Union funds are implemented using shared management system, which means that the responsibility of implementing the EU funds are shared between the European Commission and national authorities based on the level of the member states. The audit authority is one of the national authority responsible for the implementation of the EU funds, has a crucial role in the shared management system. Let me introduce myself. My name is Olga Kuza, and I'm working in the EU Funds Audit Department in the Ministry of Finance of the Republic of Latvia. I work in the field of auditing the EU funds already for 20 years. So I started as an internal auditor for auditing pre-accession funds and continued my work for the audit authority of the EU funds. I have also extensive experience as the experts in different twinning projects and as a speaker in different international seminars and conferences. Within the e-trainings on basics of auditing EU funds, you will know why the role of the audit authority is so crucial, and you will learn about different responsibilities of the audit authority. This e-learning course is designed for junior auditors who are new to working in audit authorities of EU funds, but it is also valuable for employees of other EU funds authorities, such as managing authorities, accounting functions, and intermediate bodies, as well as beneficiaries who want to gain a solid understanding of the fundamental auditing requirements for the EU funds. This e-learning course is primarily based on the requirements for auditing the European Social Fund Plus, European Regional Development Fund, and Cohesion Fund, because requirements for the other funds covered by the Common Provisions Regulation may vary slightly. I hope to see you in my e-learning course.